Welcome guys, these are my new Procus Pro VR 3D headset. I have purchased this from Amazon for around 3600 bucks. In this video I am going to unbox it. Let's have a quick look. Okay, this is the new box. Till now I haven't opened it at all, so let me open it. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Strange boxing. Okay. Looks like this is some kind of bill. Okay, and then there is a thermocol sheet. Okay. So these are the new headset. Okay, there is some wiper and some manual. I think that's it from the box. Let me put this box aside. Okay. So these are the new headset. Okay. So actually the initial look is very good. You can see the cushions are leather cushions and everything is it's a good plastic build, and on top of it we have got some kind of like screen guard. I'm going to remove it. Okay, it's a general screenshot which we get from new purchases. Okay, so that's it guys, this is my new Procus VR. As we move forward, like I'm going to try this and see how it works. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.